Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Piggy. So yeah. Okay. I wanna go to the carnival really badly. Like I'm busting to go to the carnival. And as always, I said after Prop Box X, I'll play this song. I always promise you guys I never lie to you. And yeah, I don't know why I always say, so yeah, and yeah. It's just my thing. Hey guys, come on. Play. Okay. And it's Halloween, so we just open the door. Stop! Stop! Who are you? Where are you? Why is the piggy so fast? The pig's so fast. The pig's so fast. The pig's so fast. The pig's so fast. You're right. She's probably not gonna get me. Coast is clear. The coast is clear. Found yellow key. Lasers, we probably need the wrench for that. Oh no, no piggy getting me today. I'm hiding. That's not gonna be me. That sounds bad. I'm a ghost, so no one can get me. That was horrible. Absolutely horrible. Oh, game over. No, everyone died. And that piggy was fast. Can't blame them. Can't even blame me. Nectarine. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Chapter 8 carnival, please carnival. Carnival. I'm begging. I'm carnival. House. Again. Seriously. House. Why do you want tag? House. Player. Seriously. It's not me, but it looks like me with the bacon head, but it's not me. Let's play. Well, this is the place that Georgie Piggy was last seen. What was that sound? Oh gosh. That sounded bad. Oh no, we've got to get out of here. Any key? Let me. Okay, nothing. Red key for that? We have nothing much now. Piggy is walking up. The piggy's doing nothing. Okay, now it's moving. Oh. Okay. Good plank. No. Okay, I'll see you guys when we finish this level. So, guys, Carnival has been selected, and I love Carnival. Bot, please. Bot. Bot is better. Bot. Cause what if you, huh? What if you're it, huh? Or me, huh? Infection. Oh, good, it's not me. I hate being the piggy on my favorite map. It's just so annoying. You better be ready, Mr. Mr. Potato Head. I changed the color. I'm coming for you. Oh, okay. Need find keys. And I'm bad at piggies. Oh, yeah. Please, I need that. Thank you. No, he grabbed it. Not grobe. It's the carnival one, right? Or just any piggy. Whoa. I don't know what to get. Got the gun. Where are you, Piggy? Oh, Piggy. Oh no. Where's ammo? I need ammo. I need ammo. I accidentally shooted. And now I need ammo. Oh, ammo's here, right? I can't get the ammo. And I wasted it again. I guess we can't shoot Piggy. What? Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! And we won when I did nothing. Mr. P, I'm here. I'm here to... Who are you? Zizzy, are they infected? You escaped. Pony, the infected don't talk. Right, I knew that. No, I didn't. I'm Zizzy, and this is my friend Pony. I'm Max AB098. What are you doing here? We came to look for survivors. We got a safe place. Oh, look, there's a friend too. He's not a friend. That's no friend. That's one of them. Don't worry, I got this. Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, you're just gonna slap his head and he's... Okay, I guess that's... Okay, yeah, I guess we can do that. Let's bring you back with this place. Let's bring us back. This place is dangerous. Danger. Gonna play more, cause can't just be that, right? Infection has been, ooh, infection. Okay, but what, thing are we doing? We're doing the, hello, is anyone here at the station? Attention, a monster is in the station. Get in the garage now. Oh no. Is this the mall? No, it's not the mall. I know where this is. That's ammo for the gun. Stairs, anything? Oh, red key. Bruh. I'll grab that. Got the wrench. Okay, where's the door? That's for the battery. Oh, so now I'm a piggy. Come here, boy. Haha! You are one of us. Let's go. Let's go get some humans. Hello, me haties. Oh, hi. Game over already? Well, this is gonna be our last round, this one, so I hope I enjoy it. And I hope I don't be the piggy, even though I haven't been it. I only been it one time, which is the round before, because I got infected. No one knew that. Okay. Oh, I like them all. Where we going? Me, 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 me. Okay, I guess we're going with the metro. Again, did we have the metro? Let's do, I don't know what the gang's going with. I'll just go with bots. Player bot, player and bot. Oh no, don't worry, Bunny. We're getting out of here. Yes, Bunny. Your name is Bunny. I bet your name is Bunny Bun. Okay. Let's do this, Max. You won in the carnival. Because your friends did it. Just do nothing. No, we'll do something. Oh no, we need to give her food. Does she want carrots? No, she wants nothing. She's a bad girl. It is raining outside Australia. It is so bad in Australia. But first, it was so sunny, la-di-da-di-da. But now, Mother Nature. That wasn't comfortable. Mother Nature just changed it. But we do need rain for water. We actually do. Rain is not for blah, 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 blah. It's for good. It's so we can live. Don't please be a pig in front of me. Help! No, the pig is right there. She's gonna get me. Okay, why did I say that? When she's literally not even here. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my god. No. Got the yellow key. Got the yellow key. Oh no. get me. I am hiding. I'm trapped. Where's the piggy? Oh no. Is the entrance done? Are we free? Oh no. No. This piggy's so close to me. I have the hammer. Are we free? Does the hammer do this? I was so close. Bruh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Piggy. I'm pretty sure this is my first one of Piggy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And always, sharks out. Count that sharks out on my last video because I forgot to do it. So, sharks out.